If you are wondering if we are going to get Android 17 on a Nothing Phone 4a, then the answer is yes. Eventually, you should be able to get Android 17 update on this phone, although as I am recording this video, there is no official information about the Android 17 update for Nothing Phone 4a. In fact, there is no official release date of Android 17 in general, at least not yet. So it's really hard to tell for me right now when you can expect Android 17 to be released, but surely Android 17 is going to be available on this phone once it of course comes out. And the fact that we have up to 3 major Android upgrades pretty much guaranteed by Nothing, it of course includes Android 17. Right now we have Android 16, so the next one, Android 17, is pretty much guaranteed. And once it is available, you should be able to check the system updates in system settings and see if you have the update ready. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.